Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to this week's food haul and meal plan. So when I asked last week if anyone had any preferences on the shops, I think someone requested Lidl, so that's what I've done. And obviously you can't do a click and collect or delivery, so we went in store and yeah, I'm not going to do it again. Yeah, taking Mila and Jack shopping is not fun. It was just a stressful experience. So if I go in store again, I'll just do it in the evening. The only thing with filming it in the evening is it's just not very good lighting, but I don't know. If you have any preference of shops, you can still let me know and I will try my best. But yeah, I definitely won't be taking Mila and Jack shopping for like a big food shop because it takes long and they get bored and they run around and yeah. But anyway, let's get into the food haul. I did film this yesterday and Mila helped me, so yeah, let's get into it and we'll show you what we bought. Okay, are you going to show what we bought?
Yeah!
Okay, what have we got?
We've got, what are these called again?
Raspberries.
Oh, raspberries. You've got some raspberries.
And you already had some, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. That's why the packet is open.
They do look nice.
And we've also got this, just mango.
Yeah.
Mango.
Yeah.
We've also got some apple and some oranges and melon and
Peppers.
And some
Yeah, Jack
blueberry juice.
Yeah, Jack chose this big blueberry drink, didn't he?
Yeah, and we've got orange juice.
Yeah.
And smoothies.
Yeah, we've got one of each flavour that they do. So they do orange, pineapple and mango, or strawberry, blackberry, raspberry and apple.
And we've got some broccoli and cucumber.
Yeah.
That's all we have on this section.
Yeah, so let's move to this section.
We have some cheese strings that I had in the car.
Yeah, we had one in the car already, didn't we?
Yeah, and block of cheese.
A big
which
block.
Jack loves.
Yeah, big block of cheese.
And eggs.
Yeah.
And I like eggs. These. And that's oat milk. 2 oat milk because Mummy likes it.
Yeah, 2 oat milk. And then I got these yogurts to go with my granola. So it's Greek yogurt with a peach fruit layer, and also got a strawberry fruit layer. And then Jack chose these strawberry and banana yogurts, and then Mila chose these. That was right, wasn't it, Mila? You chose those ones, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, the
And we got this
chocolate
and this
ones.
and this.
Skipping ahead a bit much there. Right, so I got 4 of these basmati rice. These are 45p. So similar to Tesco. I think maybe it's slightly more. I can't remember.
We've got these vitamin juices.
Yeah, you love these vitamin juices,
Yeah.
don't you? And then got 2 coconut milks, tuna chunks, a big bottle of honey, this lemon tea drink, which I really like. Oh, and these, which I've never seen before, but they look nice. Chocolate and mint oat biscuits. Do you think they look nice, Mila?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we've also got some dried mango.
We've got lots of dried mango, yeah. We've got 4 packs of dried mango.
Oh my god!
And we've got, these are Jack's favourite. And you love them as well, don't you, Mila?
Yeah.
And I do. Maybe I should have got 2 packs. 8 chocolate and hazelnut flavour waffles. Yum. Do you know what that is, Mila?
Is it a type of fruit?
No, it's garlic bread.
Oh, I love garlic
Because
bread.
we're gonna have pizza tonight, aren't we? And
Garlic bread!
and garlic bread with it. We've got a large pack of chicken fillets because I'm going to do 2 different chicken meals this week. Got some Scotch pancakes.
And some chili flavoured meat sticks.
That's right. Jack chose those. And I think, yeah, he's had the spicy ones before and he liked them. And then we got these heart-shaped pretzels.
Yeah.
And then these are pretzel sticks with peanut filling, which look nice.
And we've got these little chocolate bars.
Yeah, these are we put these in the trolley so that you and Jack would be good in the shop, didn't we? Did it work?
Yeah.
Were you good in the shop?
No.
So we're going to try and if you're good, then we can have one later, yeah?
Yay!
And then got some cream crackers because Jack's loving his cream crackers at the moment. Oh yeah, and what else have we got, Mila? Do you want to do the other bits?
Do you have that?
Let's start from here, look, and then we'll move around.
Okay, so we got some crisps. We have ready salted cheese and onion, which is my favourite.
Yeah.
Salt and vinegar, and prawn poptail, which is Jack's favourite.
Yeah, and these are cheaper, only a little bit cheaper than Tesco. Tesco's is £4.10 and these were £3.99, so much cheaper. Well, not that much cheaper, but you know what I mean. Anyway,
And
what
we've
else?
got these, you know, frozen vegetables.
Yeah.
And got these frozen French fries.
Yeah.
And got this pasta back here.
Yeah.
And I think this is this?
Do you want me to tell you?
Is it barbecue chicken?
It is, yeah. So I got those barbecue chicken drumsticks for us. I thought we could have that one night for dinner, and then the hot and spicy chicken wings are for Daddy because he loves them. And then Jack chose these chicken quarter pounders. Oh, and then your cereal. What have you got?
This cereal.
Yep, honey nut flakes. That's what you chose, isn't it? And the Spider-Man cereal is not from Lidl. This is from Asda, but I just thought I would share it because I'd never seen it before and I thought it was cool. And Jack ate loads of this morning. So all it is these Weetabix multigrain crunch. So normally he probably wouldn't even eat that, but maybe it's just because it says, not because it says, because it's got a picture of Spider-Man on it. Maybe that helped, but yeah. And that was £2.50 from Asda. But yeah, that's everything that we got from Lidl this week.
Yeah, and can I have some Spider-Man this and this?
Okay, yeah. I'll put the price on the screen and then we'll do the meal plan. Okay, so this is our meal plan for the week. So on Monday, we're going to have those barbecue chicken drumsticks, and then we'll probably have some chips, maybe a bit of salad and corn on the cob with that. And then I'm going to try the chicken and broccoli bake again on Tuesday. I have filmed my meals of the week for last week. I've decided I'm not going to do it every week, but as it was requested, I did it last week. And the chicken and broccoli bake didn't go quite to plan because I didn't follow the recipe exactly. It was still nice, but I'm going to try it again, and I need to get some condensed soup. They didn't have it in Lidl, so I'm going to try Tesco and see how we get on. And then Wednesday, slow cooker chicken curry. So the chicken that I bought is for those two. I've just noticed it's so much chicken, chicken 3 nights in a row. But yeah, the big thing of chicken I got is meant for both Tuesday and Wednesday. Then tuna pasta on Thursday, and then pizza on Friday. And I've got a pizza in the freezer, which me and Mila will eat, and then Jack will just eat whatever. I don't know, we'll see on the day. And then Dan, I don't know, maybe he'll have a ready meal that's in the freezer or something, I'm not too sure. But that is the plan for the week. And I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Thanks for watching, bye.